you're crying, how can it be to you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you come into my heart uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you?
Hey y'all, I didn't even do my intro. What am I doing? Hey guys, it's your girl 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐞𝐬𝐬. Welcome back to my channel. I need to do my Sunday reset. I have laundry to do. I have clothes. Well, duh. I have laundry to do. I have... What do I have to do? I'm forgetting stuff. I have laundry to wash. I have laundry to fold. I need to order groceries. What else do I need to do? I need to film. I'm very late. I want to film my room tour before I move out. I want to do that today so then I can start packing up my stuff. For those of you who don't know, I'm a college senior. I finished. I'm done. I majored in business administration. I don't know what else to say. Went to Morgan State, but I'm done. My years and my time as a student is finito. I want to like start packing up the stuff that I'm not using right now because graduation's in I think like 13 days or something like that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Today's 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐭 and I really want to go out. It's already 3 o'clock, so hopefully I can knock out everything else so I could be outside. Not be outside, but like go hang out with them. I'm about to do my makeup right now, listen to some music. I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I finish. I'll be back. I'm back. I'm pretty much ready for the most part. The makeup, eating, the hair looks good. And I just like that big fluffy look.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't.
Y'all, can we just talk about how annoying folding laundry is? Like, I swear, like, this is the one chore that is just never gonna sit right with me, ever. I feel like most people feel this way about dishes, but for me, like, I mean, don't get me wrong, dishes are annoying too, especially when you have a bunch in the sink, but like, I feel like laundry is just so annoying because you just have to keep doing it. I could get laundry done as far as washing it. To sit here and have to keep folding everything is so annoying, especially socks. I don't know what it is, but like, I will leave the socks at the bottom of my basket of folded stuff. Like, I'll fold everything else and just leave the socks in there. I don't know why. It's so much easier when you just do them in a smaller load, but I just don't like folding socks. I folded my basket. I put a load of laundry in. Now I have to put this stuff away and clean my room, which shouldn't be too bad. I just have to take my trash out. I have some plates in here from lunch that I need to take out, and then I need to vacuum. We're making good progress. Okay, so I finished filming. What am I saying? Can I speak? I can't speak. I finished folding. Like, let's slow down. I finished folding my clothes. I need to clean my room and film so I can pack my stuff up. I have trash to take out, and then I have to vacuum because there's hair and little crumbs and stuff all over the floor. Okay, let me go do that. and I'm about to vacuum. There shouldn't be too much because I vacuumed the other day. Anyways, it's 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐿 Hawaiian Breeze. It smells so good. Yeah, you just sprinkle it on your carpet and then vacuum.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the place. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Look at that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees and really had to talk inside. I'm in that 8 and then one of them is different priority. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from
Excuse my face if I look oily. I've been running around honestly all day. I've just been like doing all my reset stuff, trying to be very productive. It's okay, at least my list is getting done. And let me see what else I have to do. My room tour, I think I'm gonna do that next, honestly. But I still need to like clean off all my mirrors and stuff because my mirrors are dirty. Everything else in my room is clean, really. My desk, there's just a few things that I need to straighten them up because my desk looks like this. This, I'm like, I don't know if I should move it for the room tour just because it's very dirty now. I wish I would have filmed it earlier before I got all this stuff on it. I'm gonna probably take it off though. I think that's it for room. Just a few things here and there.